Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT to write our speech. Suppose you become president of America tomorrow and you would want to address thousands of people out there. So what would you say to them? Let's ask ChatGPT about it and see what's its response. So let's ask, write me a speech and then press enter. Now let's see what ChatGPT has to say. So ChatGPT says, "My fellow Americans, I stand before you today as the candidate for the highest office in the land, seeking your trust, your vote. I understand the weight of this responsibility and I'm ready to serve and lead our great nation." Now you can read further and make sure that you always make changes to it since you are way above than AI. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.